In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to scale with reference in AutoCAD. This method is perfect when you know the current size of something in your drawing and you need to resize it to a specific new length. While keeping everything proportional and anchored to a precise point, start by launching the Scale command. You can type Scale or simply SC and press Enter. AutoCAD will prompt you to select objects. Click to select everything you want to resize: lines, polylines, blocks, or grouped items, then press Enter to confirm your selection. It's important to grab all related geometry now so everything scales together consistently. Next, specify a base point. This is the anchor around which the scaling takes place. Click a point that makes geometric sense, often a corner, a center, or a fixed connection point. Choosing the right base point helps keep your geometry aligned and prevents unwanted shifting as the size changes. Now activate the reference option by typing R and pressing Enter. Reference tells AutoCAD, I know the current length of a portion of this object, and I want to redefine it to a new, exact length. This is the key to accurate, dimension-driven scaling. Set the reference length by clicking 2 points that define something you know the current size of, perhaps the endpoints of a known edge, or the width of a feature. If you already know that length numerically, you can type it instead. For precise picks, use your object snaps so you are grabbing exact endpoints or midpoints. AutoCAD now understands how big that portion is right now. Finally, specify the new length you want. Type the exact target length and press Enter. Or click 2 points to define the new distance visually. AutoCAD calculates the correct scale factor behind the scenes and applies it to all your selected objects, using the base point as the anchor. For example, if the current segment measures 800 units and you type 900, everything scales up proportionally so that segment becomes precisely 900 units. As you work, keep an eye on the command line prompts. They guide you through each decision. If you are picking points, zoom in to ensure accurate snaps. Remember that the entire selection scales uniformly. Dimensions, arcs, and angles maintain their proportions relative to the base point. That's the complete workflow. Thanks for watching.